Most all mountains have a name, yet they know not ours. It's easy to lose the world in their towering shadows. Some enter the mountains to seek refuge, some to find solace, some even to escape the law. A few lose their way only to find themselves in the process. Our journey into the mountains today is nothing new. We are following in the footsteps of those since the dawn of time who too were drawn to these towering landscapes. Where the road ends is typically where the adventure begins for me. My name is Matthew, and this is Exploring God's Country. We're headed out to Sawmill Canyon today. Will is checking the health of my truck with his scan tool, and hopefully it's running good. James and I, we went looking in here for what we thought would be a sawmill. However, we did find a really old mine. And what we're gonna do, if we can make it, is climb up to the upper mine, or walk up. There's a mining road that goes up there. And it's a pretty amazing view.
The two sensors seem pretty even.
Oh, good. So the banks are well balanced?
Yeah.
Engaged 4 low, because that gives you more torque resolution, right?
Yeah, it gives you a lot more control.
All I know is it was a game changer.
Yeah.
It made a huge difference when you told me that. But it's not
It's not as bad as it was last time.
Well, you have experience on it now.
Yeah.
So a little park and pull out here. I like coming back here because you can see the truck from where we're going. So everybody's got water, we got coats.
Yep.
Hello. Goodbye. Moo. See the hill there?
Yeah.
We're gonna walk all the way down here and then up that hill on the right. Yep. We're rushing along here. Probably gonna take us an hour just to get up the switchbacks to the peak, and I want to get up there before sunset. People come out here, they enjoy this, they throw their beverages on the side of the trail. We're gonna pick all this up on the way down. No sense in carrying it up. Well, if you're thirsty, I guess you can drink other people's half-empty water bottles. I'll be at max heart rate for the better part of a mile here, especially since I'm trying to beat the sun. There's quite a bit of mine ruins up here that are very interesting. One of the best sunset views. Oh, amazing, anybody makes it up here. It must be super drunk by the time they get up. Many years ago, my mother made it up here with me, starting in the same spot we started from today. Of course, my father, about halfway up that slope, said he was gonna hang out and check out the scenery down there, so he just waited for us. This used to be one of the favorite places for James and I to hang out. We went all over down here. Most of the time, we'd take that lower road to the end and then explore on up to the southeast. The view is out of this world, and we made it in time, thank God. As with most of these roads out here, they lead to mines, and this was a mine access road, and the end of this canyon is another mine. There, you see that rock? Almost looks like somebody made a wall.
Yeah.
I believe that's called a dike. That dike runs several miles. It runs all the way out this canyon. That cut behind this ridge, I've been clear back up in there with James. And most recently, John and I went up this little peak. Another little push up here, about a half mile back, are some mine ruins. Most people go to the gym for this. I just go to the mountains. That said, I used to go to Copper Fitness, by the way. If you're in Green Valley, you gotta check these guys out. Yeah, I'm thinking they collapsed the adit, or the access into the mountain, if there was one. You see they cut out this space, the one behind the tree. I don't know if this is associated with Florida Mine or not, which is back that way and up slope a little ways. Behind me, it kind of looks like they dug into the face, but I don't know. Maybe there's no portal here to access the mountain, inside of the mountain, but they sure cut away a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
I always carry a primary light and a backup light because it ain't such a critical deal being on this road, but if you're off trail and the light goes out, you're gonna be out all night long. Did you spot what that animal was?
Deer.
A deer?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. How many of them were there? 3? That's pretty cool. Well, hopefully there's no mountain lions, right?
That's why I checked.
Yeah, must have had a lot to drink because all their cans are here. We're gonna grab these cans for them. I know they meant well to get them out. They must have forgotten. Wonderful campsite. As long as people pick up after themselves. Get rid of this, get a little of this stuff off the trail. We'll take a little detour here and check out an old wrecked car. It's always kind of fun. You see things out here like this and you're like, oh, I wonder how that happened. Take a look over here and see if there's anything in the creek. I actually think this would go back to that mine we were at. Here we are, we made it. Woohoo, how was that?
Good. Go more.
more.
More. Plug it as much as you can right here.
No. Oh, that was scariest. Oh, this one's not too bad. Not a big deal. I can take it however. Oh, Lord. This is always fun. I got it. We're just going to go right up the left side here. You getting it well?
Yeah.
Cool.